Atom, the basic building block of all matter and chemistry. Atoms can combine with other atoms to form molecules but cannot be divided into smaller parts by ordinary chemical processes. A simplified look into the structure of an atom. Most of the atom is empty space. The rest consists of three basic types of subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The protons and neutrons form the atom's central nucleus. The ordinary hydrogen atom is an exception. It contains one proton but no neutrons. As their names suggest, protons have a positive electrical charge, while neutrons are electrically neutral. They carry no charge. Overall, then, the nucleus has a positive charge. Circling the nucleus is a cloud of electrons, which are negatively charged. Like opposite ends of a magnet that attract one another, the negative electrons are attracted to a positive force, which binds them to the nucleus. The nucleus is small and dense compared with the electrons, which are the lightest charged particles in nature. The electrons circle the nucleus in orbital paths called shells, each of which holds only a certain number of electrons. Investigate varying electron configurations in electron shells around an atom's nucleus. Atomic model of electron configurations. See all videos for this article. An ordinary, neutral atom has an equal number of protons in the nucleus and electrons surrounding the nucleus. Thus the positive and negative charges are balanced. Some atoms, however, lose or gain electrons in chemical reactions or in collisions with other particles. Ordinary atoms that either gain or lose electrons are called ions. If a neutral atom loses an electron, it becomes a positive ion. If it gains an electron, it becomes a negative ion. These basic subatomic particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons, are themselves made up of smaller substances, such as quarks and leptons. More than 90 types of atoms exist in nature, and each kind of atom forms a different chemical element. Chemical elements are made up of only one type of atom. Gold contains only gold atoms, and neon contains only neon atoms, and they are ranked in order of their atomic number, the total number of protons in its nucleus, in a chart called the periodic table. Accordingly, because an atom of iron has 26 protons in its nucleus, its atomic number is 26 and its ranking on the periodic table of chemical elements is 26. Because an ordinary atom has the same number of electrons as protons, an element's atomic number also tells how many electrons its atoms have, and it is the number and arrangement of the electrons in their orbiting shells that determines how one atom interacts with another. The key shell is the outermost one, called the valence shell. If this outermost shell is complete, or filled with the maximum nu.
Tired of pretending to be someone